I learned how to believe in myself, and I gained more confidence after I joined Interexcel Academy.
Of course, confident, the levels of knowledge, and then, the levels of educations as well.
It's definitely my grooming standards. Previously, I have no idea how to put on contact lens, how to put on makeup. Madam Sharon, Miss G, and many other trainers helped me with that.
I can see that they're from young adults and they become a beautiful lady. You know, I would like to train the young ones, especially the girls, to become a fine lady. And I would like to train the young boys to become a gentleman. That's what we Malaysians needs them to be around, especially in the corporate industries.
And we assist them to get to meet their aspirations of joining the most premium airlines. And we're very proud to say that we've had hundreds of very successful cabin crew. And in fact, we celebrate them every year. We're very, very proud of what we do, and we will carry on doing that.